So there you go. A pleasant evening to everyone. Are you still looking for more opportunities to earn passive income? If yes, well, this training can be one of those ways where you can earn extra rather than just the Shopfreemart and NexGen opportunities. Welcome for tonight's webinar, which is all about the virtual business card. This may be new to some, but once you learn it and earn from it, definitely you will love it. So,
Thank you for taking a moment to check out our Freemart Card's new versatile business and greeting card. Good communication is at the foundation of all successful people, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce a new and powerful tool for improving your communication. Better communication leads to better relationships, and it can make a vast difference in how much you get paid, especially if you're in business for yourself. Good communication helps you keep your name, your brand, your products, or your service in front of people with whom you wish to create good relations or do business with. Imagine meeting someone at your favorite coffee shop. You strike up a conversation and he hands you his paper business card. You immediately text him your virtual business card. Odds are that he is going to open your digital card and add you directly to his contact list. Isn't that what you're looking for? Immediate response, and the moment somebody opens your card, you receive a text message or an email telling you who opened your card, and the sooner you reach out to that person, the better chance you have of doing business with them. Freemart Card makes you look good in front of your contacts. It keeps you informed about who is checking your offers. It lets you follow up immediately, which is not only impressive to your prospect, but people are more likely to purchase from someone who is available to answer questions the moment they show an interest. And if they're an entrepreneur, they will likely want to use the same tool that is helping you make a good impression upon them, which means you potentially get paid twice, once for your product or service and once for referring a new Freemart Card user. From one entrepreneur to another, isn't it time to rethink the way you connect with your prospects and business partners? Freemart Card is easy to customize with pictures, videos, web links, and more. You can list your standard contact information, a bio telling more about yourself, a personal photo, personalized message, videos introducing your business, your products or service, and all of your social networks are in one place. Our virtual card allows your customers to pick and choose how they connect with you. Freemart Card works on smartphones, tablets, and computers with no app required, and you can make unlimited cards not only for business but for birthdays, holidays, and other greeting cards. Each time you refer a new Freemart Card user, you will earn 33% of the sale price. So by just referring 3 people, your own card is essentially free. We also pay 33% of the sale price into our 9-level unilevel, and for the sake of transparency, you can earn money for referring our virtual card even if you never purchase one yourself. And since I'm not asking you to spend money in order to make money, there is no enticement involved. I will say, however, that sending your own personalized card to others is one of the best ways to interest them into purchasing a card for themselves. So I recommend that you either get a 6-month subscription for $60 or a 12-month subscription for $99 as a good method for demonstrating your own product. If you just plan to dabble part-time at sharing your card, then the $60 version will probably do. But if you're serious about building a business around our virtual business card, the $99 card will give you twice the number of text messages that you can send to your prospects each day. So just for fun, let's see what your potential earnings could be if you roll up your sleeves and go to work. The first example assumes that you purchase a $60 virtual business card and sell the same card to 3 other people. And again, your motivation for selling 3 is to get your own card for free. That is a no-brainer. At the same time, we're going to assume that everybody refers 3 so they can get their card for free also. Now, based upon a perfect world example where you complete a 9-level unilevel where everybody refers just 3 people and everybody purchases a $60 card, you would earn $168,558. And then, if everybody renewed at the end of 6 months, you would earn another $168,558. More people are actually purchasing our $99 card than the $60 card, and that is no doubt because of the added value. You get an entire year of uninterrupted service and save $21 over the cost of 2 6-month subscriptions, plus you get double the text messages that you can use for promoting your business and introducing your card to others. And using the same 3x9 member team and each member purchasing our $99 card, you would earn $278,120. This is not a guarantee of income. Your earnings will be determined by how many cards you and your team sells. But the fact that you can actually change your lifestyle by selling our virtual card is another thing that sets us apart from the other cards in the industry. So whether you make a business out of selling our virtual card service, or you use your card to sell real estate or build any other business, or you simply use it to create birthday and greeting cards, some of your contacts will likely see the benefit of having their own virtual business card and purchase one for themselves. So that is a brief introduction to our Freemart virtual business card and how you might use it to better get your story in front of people and get yourself on the path to financial freedom in the next 60 to 90 days. This is Jon Austin. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you exploding your business with our Freemart virtual business card.